All right, so we walked right next door to Ross because Burlington and Ross is right next to each other, and they've knocked Grandpa Gargoyle down to $14.99. So if you're around this area and you want a gargoyle, Grandpa Gargoyle, come get them at Ross. We got Kizaru, we got Snake Man Luffy, Garp, and Gear 5. And once again, we find some Akikos, and I think they've been dropped down from $5 to $4.99, and nobody wants these Akikos. But man, they are at these come get these figures price, as my boy Collecting His Fun would say. Come get these figures. We got more Legos, roses, and flowers for $50. Overpriced discount Motu figures. This figure was totally unnecessary. I mean, I get it was she was in the movie, but I mean, it's not part of my collection. It won't be. Man, see, that's what I'm saying, man. We've been kind of slacking. It's been kind of slow around my area, man. But I see some of y'all prospering, man, and I'm happy for that. I ain't no hater, man. I ain't no hater. Trust me. I'm enjoying watching the videos and seeing you guys find different stuff. Another strikeout, but it's okay. I'm still hunting.